Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the scanning modes in the Stocard application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the cards button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then just click on a card that you added. And then click on the three dots at the top of the page on the right. And then just click on the scanning mode button. And here you can see the different positions on how you can fit your phone under any scanner. And it will be accepted. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.